Good morning, grade ones. Today we're going to do some more writing. I hope you're enjoying using these thin lines, and I know you have to work a lot harder and concentrate more, but as you practice you're going to get better and better and better at it. So that was last week's handwriting, and we did another one over there. And so our page at the moment should look like that. Today we're going to do a straight pattern. We call this the castle pattern. And we do the castle pattern to practice our straight letters. So we're going to go straight down, straight across, straight up, straight across, straight down, straight across. And notice that these lines go straight down. These ones go on the line, and if you say the pattern while you're doing it, you help with the fluency of your handwriting. So if we go down, across, up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, up, and you keep going off with that pattern, and it will help you keep your writing fluent. Then we're going to practice the E, and the E is a straight letter, and that's why we practice the pattern with straight lines. So we go straight down and we do a dot. Be careful not to do a blob on top of the E like that, or coloring in your dot above like that. We do a straight line down and we just make a dot like that. So when you practice your E, try and keep it nice and straight, touching top, touching bottom. If our line is there, we don't stop. We don't start there and then put our dot on the line like that. And if I had to draw an imaginary line all the way across the page, in the middle of that line there, you will notice that all my dots would be on that imaginary line. So try and keep all your dots in the same place across the line. Missed one dot one, and we're going to do this. And if you notice, we start up against the margin, we slant down, go straight up and slant back down again so that the crosses in the middle. Have a look again, slant down, and then without lifting our hand up too high, do an imaginary line back up so that we know we're in the same place there, and we slant back down again, and you will notice it will automatically cross in the middle. If we make our slant too wide, then we get a big fat letter like that. If we do it like this and start too close there, then you'll see it won't cross in the middle there. So keep practicing and try with each one to get it better and better until yours are crossing in the middle. Then our Z is also a nice straight letter. We're going to go straight across, slant down, and straight across again. Have a look here. We cannot do a small one and then a big Z like that, because our Z should fit into a box, and if I had to draw a little box there, it wouldn't fit in. Have a look at this one. If we do a long one and a short one and a short one, and I did my box, it would be too big for the box. So if I do a correct line across, and we sort of have an imaginary line here, so I must try and aim for there, so that I don't go past this line here, and I go straight back again, and I try and aim to end in line there. And now I draw my box. Look what happens. There you go, it fits in the box. So keep trying and see that if you can make yours look like that. Now we're going to go to the 4, and I find quite a few children have a problem with 4, because especially with the lines, you're not 100% sure where your 4 should end. I see some 4s that look like this, and they don't come down to the bottom of the line, but the little arm touches the line. We're not going to do a 4 like that. We're going to have a look here. We're going to do the same slant as our Z. We're going to go across on that line, and then the arm goes through the line like that. So have a look there. There's slant back, across, and down again. And remember, all of them have got finger spaces right across. You're going to end off with a castle pattern again, and then for the next time you do handwriting, you're going to turn your page over, get your dots all ready. Miss 1, dot 1, fat one at the top we miss 1, dot 1, miss 1, dot 1, all the way down to the bottom of your page. You're going to start with your castle pattern, and you go right across the page without stopping. Then we're going to practice the E, and to remind you again that we don't do big fat blobs, we just do a dot. Then you're going to practice your going across, imaginary line up, and go slanting back again to make sure it crosses in the middle. Then your Z goes straight across, back to the margin, straight across, and try and make sure that if I had to put it in a box, it would fit in the box. Then we've got our Z slant on our 4. We come across on the line, and our arm goes through the line. And then you can finish off again with a castle pattern. And there you've got your writing done for the week. So keep practicing. Have fun while you're doing it. Try your best. And then maybe you can send your teacher a picture of your handwriting to show her. Some of the children in my class have done that, and I love seeing how they're progressing using the thin lines. So I'm sure your teacher would like that too. So until next week, enjoy your handwriting. Have fun. Stay safe. God bless. Love you lots. And bye for now.